think I know you, brother, very well. No, no, you mistaken me for somebody else. Told your ass to get to walking. Now I think y'all better leave this place. Cause I'm gonna catch you again. It should go. It should end like that. Like that. Because it's just a skit thing.
Right.
And guess what?
It's
That's
like
all
a minute 30.
That's all they're going to hear.
Exactly. What's that, a minute 30 of it ish? Something like that? Yeah, it's that. That's perfect. Perfect.
And I walk off with Shantae because I do get her in the video, so I should be able to get her there. That shouldn't change.
Only thing, the drums gotta have that, you know?
Yeah.
You know,
That,
Shantae to come out and sing it.
right. That drums, J Flood. Saying that drum got to be dramatic. That whole drum thing.
Boom, boom. Your timpanis and you know, I mean, like the record, y'all know what to do.